Hello people, this is Hemang and in this video I will tell you how to hack any device worldwide. It must be a Windows device for sure, and I'm gonna use a rubber ducky for this. So you can get a rubber ducky for like very cheap online, and I'm gonna use this thing called the set toolkit to create my payloads. So payloads are something which activates the hack on the victim's device. So just type set toolkit and type 1 for social engineering attacks and type 9 for PowerShell attack vectors and 1 for PowerShell alphanumeric shellcode injector. So now you need to type in your IP address. So you can type in your local IP address. So type ifconfig on a new terminal and just copy this thing near the inet and you're good to go. Next comes the port number. So the port number can be anything. It depends upon what you remember. So I'm using 4444, which is a common port number used by most of the people worldwide, and you just need to remember it. You can use 3444 or whatever you want. So I have just run it and it takes a little bit of time to build. Okay, so now that it is built, it is exported to this thing called root. Like in a folder called root, and you need to go to that location on your device. So I'm gonna go to files and .set and reports, and I have my payload here. I'm copying it to the desktop. If you want, there is no necessity of copying it to the desktop, but I'm copying it for an easy reference, and just type no here for stopping the listener because we don't want to start the listener right now. Now we have this. I'm going to use this tiny trick using the tiny URL, and this is gonna like hack any device worldwide without the use of port forwarding. So this is a completely simple and effective trick that anyone can use. So just go to pastebin and open this PowerShell injection tool, and it's like you need to just copy and paste this complete code inside pastebin. Just scroll down and click on upload or create a new post or whatever it is, and just type in the security code that needs to be bypassed and click on submit and click on this thing called raw here, and you need to copy this link. So now you need to upload this thing to your rubber ducky, and this is not gonna be so difficult. I've given you the code down in the description below, and you can just download that file. Now I have this code here. You need to change this thing, the HTTPS, the whole link, and with the one you have, and you need to upload it to your rubber ducky. And I'm just checking whether my code is perfect, so I'm clicking on verify. It's not necessary that you verify your code because I've already verified it here, and it's the same code on your device. And this is for the DIGISPARK, and you need to upload it right now, and I'm connecting my rubber ducky. Once it tells me to, there you go, done. So it's actually uploaded, and now I'm going to my Linux machine, and I'm gonna go to the MSF console. So this is the place where you listen to the request created there. So start the MSF console. It's actually a type of listener. It's the Metasploit, and while it runs, it takes a little bit of time to run. It's like a pretty huge program. Let's wait. Okay, so now that the MSF console has loaded, I'm gonna use this multi-handler. So type use space multi backslash or slash handler, whatever slash it is. Who cares? Multi-handler, and click on enter, and it takes you here. Now type set payload space Windows backslash metaprinter backslash reverse underscore HTTPS. Just copy down whatever I do here, and that's gonna like work completely over there. Click on enter, and now you need to set your IP address. So type set lhost. Lhost must be in caps space. Just copy and paste your IP address. The same iNet thingy. Just paste. Well, there's something wrong here. While copying, and try again. Select, copy, and try pasting here now. Okay, paste it now. Enter, and now I'm gonna set the port number. So it must be set L port 4444, and the same port number you specify there, and run, and just click on enter, and it starts the Metasploit console. Now go to your Windows and just enter, insert your Ducky inside, and it's gonna boot up PowerShell. So inside PowerShell, it automatically runs this code, and if it closes automatically like this, then your code is uploaded successfully to the servers, and you get something like this over here, the metaprinter thing. And if I type sysinfo, I get information of the system, and well, that's my name there, and that's the PC I'm using, the OS I'm using. And webcam underscore snap is something with which you can capture the webcam of people, and it's saved on the root. And I'm gonna show my face there. So thank you for watching my video, guys. If you do like my video, please like and please subscribe to my channel.